Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best docking station. Starting at number 5. Kensington SD7000 Surface. Charges your Surface Pro and extends the desktop productivity capabilities via the Surface connector. For USB 3.0 ports, up to 5 gigabits per second, 5V/0.9A. 1 USB-C port for data synchronization, up to 5 gigabits per second data only, 5V/3A. Gigabit Ethernet port. Our SD7000 Surface Pro docking station was designed exclusively for Microsoft Surface Pro 7, 7 Plus, 6, 5 and 4 using Windows 10 and 11, not compatible with Surface Pro 8. Secure the dock to a desk, table or any fixed structure via the Kensington lock slot, T-bar lock sold separately. See part #K65035AM. You can also secure the dock and your Surface Pro with the optional lock module. Part #K62918WW sold separately. See video to the left to see how the dock and locks operate. Easily connect to different external monitor setups with output options for HDMI and DisplayPort multi-mode. One 4K monitor at 3840x2160 at 60 Hz or two 4K monitors at 3840x2160 at 30 Hz. Comfortably position the Surface Pro in one of two positions upright as a display. Or lay it at a perfect drafting table angle for painting, drawing, or editing photos. Coming at number 4. Surface Pro 8 Hub. Greenheart High-Speed Data Transfer Type-C 3.1 Thunderbolt for supports 40 gigabits per second data transmission. Also support audio and mic 2-in-1 port makes listening or talking a breeze. USB 3.0 port up to 5 gigabits per second transfer. Extra USB 2.0 ports are perfect for your keyboard and wireless device. Ensure you a stable Wi-Fi connection. The built-in TF, micro SD slot allows for easy access to files from TF memory cards, with a super speed of up to 480 megabits per second, compatible with TF, micro SDXC, micro SDHC card. Orange Heart Triple Display Flexibility Surface Pro 8 Docking Station Triple Display. Ultra HD 4K HDMI plus USB-C Thunderbolt 4 plus Surface Pro 8 modes boost your efficiency 3 times. This Surface Pro 8 hub adapter allows you to extend 2 monitors which provide more space for work and you can do different projects on different monitors. Support extend or mirror mode, HDMI resolution up to 4K at 30 Hz. USB-C Thunderbolt for resolution up to 8K at 30 Hz. An ideal gadget for video editor, photography, programmer. Purple Heart 4K HDMI adapter for Surface Pro 8. This HDMI hub supports video resolution up to 4K at 30 Hz. Backwards support, 2K divided by 1080p divided by 720p divided by 480p divided by 360p resolutions. Freely show your laptop's high-resolution 4K UHD at 30 Hz or Full HD 1080p video to HD TV. Monitor or projector via HDMI port gives you ultra-high-definition visual enjoyment. At number 3. Surface Dock Surface. Easy to use, connect your peripherals to the Surface Dock and then connect the magnetic Surface connection cable to your device. The docking station is compatible with Surface Pro 8/X/7/6/4/3/2017. Surface Pro 2017, Surface Laptop 4/3/2, Surface Laptop Go, Surface Laptop, Surface Book 2, Surface Book, Surface Go, and computer peripherals. What you get: 1-year warranty with replacement coverage, 1* Surface Dock, 1* 90W power supply, 1* power cable, 1* instruction manual. Power scalability, stable compatibility. The 10-in-1 Surface docking station has the interfaces you may need. And 10 interfaces can be used at the same time. to meet your expansion needs. Extended function, the docking station is equipped with 4 USB 3.0, which can connect USB interface devices such as UDisks, or charge mobile phones and other devices. 3.5 audio can be connected to audio equipment such as earphones and speakers. The Gigabit Network card port supports Gigabit Network cable access to ensure your internet speed. The dual mini DP interface can connect 2 external monitors to meet your daily needs. Number 2 of my list. Microsoft Surface Dock 2. Connections: 199W power supply, supports dual 4K at 60 Hz, Surface Connect cable. 80 cm, 2 front-facing USB-C, 10 gigabits per second, 15W, 2 rear-facing USB-C. 10 gigabits per second, video display enabled, 7.5W, 2 rear-facing USB-A 3.2. 10 gigabits per second, 7.5W, 3.5mm in/out audio jack. 1 gigabit Ethernet, security lock support, Kensington compatible. Compatibility: Surface Book 3, 13.5-inch and 15, Surface Pro 7, Surface Pro X, Surface Laptop 3, 13.5 and 15, Surface Go 2. Dimensions: 5.12 inches by 2.75 inches by 1.18 inches. 130 mm x 70 mm x 30 mm. Weight: 1.13 pounds, 515 g. Not compatible with Surface Pro 4, Surface Pro 3, Surface Book, 1st Gen. Supports dual 4K monitors at 30 Hz, Surface Pro 6, Surface Pro, 5th Gen, Surface Laptop 2, Surface Laptop. 1st Gen, Surface Go, Surface Book 2, 13.5 and 15. And number 1. Surface Pro 4/Pro. Trademark Surface Pro 6/5/4 docking station. With 1 USB 3.0 ports plus 2 USB 2.0 ports plus 1 4K HDMI port plus 1 SD, SDHC/SDXC, and 1 micro SD TF card reader slots. Expand your Surface Pro 6/5/4 with UDisc, mouse, keyboard, TF/SDHC card, 4K monitor and HD TV. Project all-in-one Microsoft Surface Hub adapter with HDMI. Surface Pro HDMI adapter. This Surface docking station supports the video resolution 1080p at 30 Hz and freely show your laptop's high-resolution display on most HD TV, monitor or projector with an HDMI port, bringing you better viewing experience. Perfect combination, special design Surface Pro Hub for Microsoft Surface Pro 4, Pro 5, Pro 6, easy operation. Plug and play, no driver, no external power required, just plug and enjoy your large screen. Extremely compact design makes it easily portable and saves desktop space. Note, it won't fit your Surface very well if you have a protective case on it. Fast Data Sync 1 ports USB 2.0 with high speed up to 480 megabits per second. Transfer faster, saving plenty of your time and enjoy data transmission in seconds. This Surface docking station works with UDisc, hard drive disk, mouse, keyboard, and other USB devices. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.